Yay, it's Mooncake Festival again! Hello everyone, it's TK Shows here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the skin of this type of mooncake. It's like a more traditional type. Last year when it was Mooncake Festival, I also made mooncakes, but we made a healthier version. This type is going to be more the traditional version. So what we need is some oil, plain flour, golden syrup, and alkaline water. To make this, all you need to do is get some water and then you just add a bit of baking powder. And if you would like to shape them like this, you would need it like a kind of presser mold. So we already have the filling. So we've got lentil, that's my favourite. These ones are black bean and red bean. If you want to know how to make the filling, the link of the video will be in the description below. Each of them are 25 to 27 grams each. So let's get started. By the way, all of the things that you need and how much will be in the description below. And how many we're making is 45 and 30 gram mooncakes. So for us to make 45 mooncakes, we have got 800 grams of flour. Now we are going to add nearly the whole pot of syrup. So I've added 240 grams of oil and 40 teaspoons of alkaline water. Let's give this a nice mix. It is now done, so we are going to wrap it in cling film and put it in the fridge for 2 whole hours. It's all wrapped, now we're going to put it in the fridge. So smooth. So now we're going to do the filling while we're waiting. I'm going to show you how to roll it and weigh it. So as I said at the beginning, this is the filling that we've made. So what you want to do is you want to try and estimate how much you need, and then you put it on your weigher, and you want it to be 25 or 26 can do. Then you want to roll it up as good as you can. Just put it on the plate like this. And also you have to put cling film over it to keep it moist. After 2 hours, and that's really cool. I've just came back from playing badminton, so I'm really hot. So this is what I'd like to do. Let's unwrap it. Ooh, the wrapping has made marks. A tiny bit cracked. And also, it's really quite oily. Oh, it's really big. Look what we made. We cut them into 2 little ones. So this is the baby, this is the mummy. The baby likes eating chocolate because it's got some chocolate inside, and they've got flowers on top. So now we're going to cut them up. I hope they don't feel heavy. Bye bye, Mummy. Sorry we have to cut you up to eat you. Let's eat you. Bum bum bum. Bam! Luckily, they can regrow their tails. I don't know if they can regrow their faces. You're gonna cut them and weigh them as 30 grams each. Don't know why this is so slow. We'll cut them and roll them into 50 grams. So now I'm gonna show you how to make the mooncake. The best tip, because this is really hard, you want to get a bit of cling film from before. You want to place your ball in and wrap it over like that. Then in the cling film you press it down. and you can keep on moving it about. And this will really help it. And then as it gets bigger, you want to unwrap it and then place it over here a bit more and wrap it like that. And then you want to just keep on doing that till you think it should be big enough. Right? This should be big enough. Maybe a little bigger. There. Then you want to get your filling. You want to unwrap this. Really hard for some reason. And then you want to put your filling in. So we've got that. Now you want to slowly wrap it over like that. Then give it a gentle push until you think it's probably stuck down like that. And then you want to undo that and do it the other diagonal way. And then you want to press it down so it's nice and smooth. Undo. Put on. This bit's a bit harder because it accidentally cracked before. Okay. Then over here, give it a slight push. And then if you've got any remaining, just push that in. Give it a nice little push. If there's like any corners like this bit, just slide that in. If there's any cracks, just push them together like this and squash them down. That should do. Now you've got it nice and round. If yours is a bit cracky like mine, just give it a slight squeeze. Now to fit in here, you can tell that this won't fit, will it? So you want to give it a slight sausage roll. Be quite careful. Slot it in and give it a little push so it fills it up. You'd usually put the baddest bit at the bottom because then you can't see it, or it can just flatten the crumple stack. Now you tip it over like that and give it a nice squeeze. Then to get it out, you do this. Ta-da! So now we've got a whole tray full of mooncakes. You want to put them in a tray with spread margarine at the bottom. And then we can cook them at 160 Celsius. So let's put them into the oven. Open it up. And let's put it in. And we'll cook. So we're going to cook them for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, we're going to give them an egg wash. So now we have cooked this for 10 minutes, probably more than 10 minutes. So we're going to brush this with coconut milk. Any type of plant milk will do, like plant milk, like coconut, almonds, and yeah. So you want to brush it on, and you also want to brush this side. It might take a bit of patience. So the reason we want to brush it with coconut milk is to make it shiny and brown. My mum said brownie and gummy. So we are using plant milk because we're gonna make it vegan. But if you are not gonna make it vegan, you can use egg yolk, and that's what they use when traditionally. But we're making the vegan type. After the milk / egg wash / glaze, we are going to put it in the oven at the same 160. For another 10 minutes. So this is after another 10 minutes. So you can see it's like browning out. So now we have to leave it for 36 hours, which is about a day and a half. Because then you can enjoy it more. Like you can see the difference. This is after 36 hours. This is before 36 hours. You can see that it's much more shiny and solid. And also the pattern is settled much. This is the best bit! Now I get to try it. So let's cut open this one because I know this is the lentil one. Get a nice little push. This is the inside. So let's try this. It's nice. I can taste the lentils and the golden syrup and the flour. So thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. And remember to drop a like down below and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!